Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can customize and change your dream's car color in Berry Avenue. So if you want to give your car a fresh new look in Berry Avenue, in this easy tutorial, I'll show you how you can customize and change your car's color to match your dream aesthetic. So what you need to do is just choose a car first. So here, click on the vehicles options and then choose the car, your dream cars, your cars that you want. For example, I'm going to go with this cars right here. Click on a car that you want, and after that you can just here go to your car and sit as a driver. And now at top there will be these four buttons that you can see. So what you need to do to change the color is click on this paint options, and then you can just drag the color picker into the color of your car, the color that you want for your car. For example, I'm going to go with, let's go with yellow. Okay, and now you can just close the color picker, and this is the new color of your car. Now you can just drive around with the car that you choose. So guys, that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click on the thanks. I'll see you all on the next tutorials. Bye!